In this video, we'll guide you on how to navigate the surveillance menu on RISControl. Select Surveillance, and you'll see a list of wireless sensors with integrated cameras for snapshot image video verification, as well as IP cameras for live video viewing, recording, and verification through snapshot images or short videos. You can view additional cameras by swiping left or right. To view a camera feed, simply select the desired camera. You can also add shortcut buttons for quick access. To do this, click on the up arrow, then click on Add, and choose the type of shortcut button you'd like to display on the camera screen. To access recorded video history, click on the Video Recorder button and select the camera whose history you want to view. Scroll left or right to browse the history and click Play, or use the forward and back buttons to navigate through the clips. You're also able to select a specific date for historic viewing. Should you need to switch to live view, you can do so by selecting the Switch User Account symbol. Enter your user credentials here, which will display only the cameras assigned to your account. If any cameras have been added or removed, you can refresh the camera list. More cameras can be found by selecting the right or left arrows. All video verification is stored on the Risco cloud and can be viewed by selecting History, entering your user code if required, and hitting OK. To view the media events, select Media Events and search for the event you wish to view. Recorded on the cloud is a snapshot image and a 30-second video clip of the event. Finally, if you want to add cameras to the Favorites screen, navigate to Favorites, click on the pencil icon for editing, then click Add New button, followed by Cameras. Select the cameras you wish to add and confirm your selection. And there you have it. The camera is now added to your Favorites screen.